Hi guys, this is 2004 Mitsubishi Express van, so SJ model, they call L300 model. So I'm going to replace today the ignition coil wire. I'm going to the spark plugs. This is the distributor. So they're getting 4 the coil wire, 1 2 3. The back one is in here, number 4. So I already got the aftermarket, the coil wire. You need to off the wire. So this short wire going to the distributor for the ignition coil, this one. So I'm getting to off number 1. Okay, coil wire. Okay, so you can see the number 1 coil bracket is damaged, top of the end. You can go the water inside. This is the number 1, and this one number 2. So I already off this the distributor cup. So this one is a number 3 and number 4. So you can see the inside of the distributor cup, and the back side they written is a number 1342. That's a firing order. So you can take it out, the number 4. And number 3. Okay, you can see the cylinder, number of cylinders. This number 1, 2 and 3. One is a number 4. Okay, this is the coil wire set. So the short one is a number 1, number 2, now 3 and number 4. So you have to install this cover, 1 3 4 2, the firing order. So number 1, the coil wire, go to the number 1 here. That's a number 2, the coil wire, and number 3 it should be in here. Number 3, and this is number 4. Okay, this is the firing order, 1 1 3 4 2. So then after this, the ignition coil wire, let's go in this way. Okay, so we're going to install the coil wire to the car. Okay, put the car first back in. Okay, we're going to put back. So we got the number 1 coil. One and number 2. These are number 3 and 4. This should be number 3. And number 4. It's hard to see. So number 4. Number 3. Okay. So okay guys, we finally installed the ignition coil wire. You can see the order. Now then after you're going to start the car. So all good, we finally done the job. So this is the end of the video. We see you in the next one. Thanks.